Hi, in this video we will learn how to create a combo box. A combo box can be added from the developer tab. So first, let's take a look how to bring your developer tab into your ribbon in case you cannot find it. First, you must go to File, Options, and here you have Customize Ribbon tab. So, if you take a look in that tab, you will find that you have the Choose Commons field, and here you have a drop-down menu, and you can choose Main tabs. Here we will find all the main tabs, including Developer one. If you don't have it in the right side, you need to add, and for this you just simply add and then click OK. In my case, I already had, so no needs to add. Good. Now let's go into the next step. After you will add the developer tab, take a look into the Controls mini tab from your ribbon. You will find this button named Insert and a small arrow. When you click it, you will have two sections. First, it's Form Controls, and the second one, it's ActiveX Controls. In our case, we need to focus into the combo box. If you drag your mouse above them, you will see that you have a text. For example, first option, it's a button Form Control. The second one, it's the combo box. That is what we need. So click on the combo box, then you have a direct mouse, and now you just need to select your cell where you want to have the combo box. So now, after you put it into the right place, you just need to format, and for this, right click, going to Format Control, and here you have three main options above Control, or let's say into the Control tab. You also have some tabs like Size, where you can, let's say, insert a fixed value of your size, but it's very easy to change the size just by drag your points from the icon of the combo box. But please take into consideration that the combo box, whatever the size will be, the text will be the same size, and we will see that after some other details. So again, right click, Format Control, and here you have some scale options, or you can lock aspect ratio so you cannot edit in the future. Protection options, we will not spend time with these options. The properties give us the possibility to move, but don't size with cells, okay, or don't move or size with cells. And also you have some print option. Alt text, not important for us, and let's start to customize the Control tab. Here we have the first option, it's Input Range. Before select these options, let's take into some details regarding this combo box, because probably you already know about the data validation tools that you can find into the data tools, and sometimes the combo box looks exactly like a data validation drop-down menu. But in our case, the combo box, and generally the combo box, it's quite different because it gives us the possibility to move the combo box wherever you need. When you work with dashboards, you can change the position of your combo box, and the options, or let's say the functions, will remain. But comparing with the drop-down menu, there you only have the possibility to fix the drop-down into a cell. Good. Now let's go back to Format Control, Input Range field. In this field, you need to select your source where the combo box will extract the items from the drop-down list. And for this, let's try to create a list. Here we have a database with some cells, and let's say that we want to have into the combo box the month. So I'm going to insert into the right side a list containing our 12 months. So from 1 to 12. Good. Here I'm gonna write the name of the month, and you'll see why. So start with January, and I will drag into the December. Good. Now going back to the combo and customize it. Now we have the input range. So now we know that we want to select from the combo box drop down list the month, and for this I will select from 03 to 014. Cell link, it's basically the cell that will display the item number from our lists. For example, February will be 2. Okay? So I want to display in the L2 cell. And the drop down lines give me the possibility to create the number of items that I want to be shown into the list when you click the drop down. In our case, I want to have the entire list of all our months, and I will put 12. I have an option for 3D shading. Let's use it. Okay. And now when I click here, the drop down, I will have all the months from January to December. Good. Let's click a month and see what happens with our L2 cell, where we selected the cell link from the control options. Let's choose March. I must click other cell and then select the drop down March. So Excel returns us number 3 because March it's the third item in our list.